Welcome to my house, come on in. So today I'm going to show you guys my studio in my place, and it's where a lot of the video recordings happen for Helps 2 and Marte Music, which is my own music. So come on back here, I'm going to show you the studio. Cool, so this is a studio, and I've gotten a lot of questions on what we use for the music performance videos I've been putting out on YouTube, and I want to take you through all of my tools and all of the audio equipment that I've been using to produce videos like these.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. You know I gotta keep on breathing. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. You know I gotta keep on breathing.
So I'm not going to go into all the details today about how you do everything exactly. If you're interested in that, we are coming out with a course soon. There's a link in the description of this where you can sign up on our email newsletter list and get info when that comes out. But I will give you an overview of everything I use so that you can at least know what I'm doing. So first things first, I use a microphone. This right here is an SM58. It's a pretty standard microphone. It's made for vocals. It has this little puff right here so that when you sing, it doesn't get all the S's and the puffs that you announce or pronounce. And then I have a nice cord. This is an XLR cord. It goes from my microphone into the interface that I'm using, and I will tell you more about that later. I have a mic stand, of course, because I play the guitar. You're gonna see a lot of guitars in this video. I'm primarily a guitarist when it comes to accompany myself, so I like a nice boom stand microphone with like a little space in between. And so I have a guitar. We just did a video, and Amber, who is behind the camera, will show you that video in this video. But we use this guitar honestly for just a prop so that it just looks cool, because the room is definitely very basic, but we enjoy that because we use it for so many different projects. So that's that. I use my computer, and so my computer is a MacBook. You can use any kind of computer you want. The DAW system, which stands for the actual program that I'm using to record the music, I often use GarageBand, guys, and that came free with my computer. You can use whatever you want. Some people use Pro Tools. They think that it has a lot more gloss on vocals. Other people, they use Logic, which is a program that you'd have to buy just like Pro Tools, and Logic comes with its own instrument library, which is very cool. So more to come on that. Make sure you sign up in the description if you're really curious about more stuff on that. Now, underneath my computer is my interface. It's 6-channel because I enjoy collabing with people, and a lot of the people, I'm in music school right now, so a lot of the people I know play instruments as well, so we needed a lot more channels. When I first started, I had a 2-channel interface, super cool. You can get one for about $150 at Guitar Center. This guy's a little more pricey than that, but it's really great. It has 6 channels. It's called a Focusrite, and the actual make of this one is the Scarlett 18i8. So that is that. Here are my in-ears. I use in-ears as I record just because I really feel like it helps me to hear what I'm doing better. In most of my guitar videos, I feel like I really need to hear the guitar well to be confident in playing it, so I use my in-ears. These are pretty standard. You can find in-ears on Amazon. I recommend in-ears with 5 drivers in them so you can hear a nice array of music. Just having different, the ability to hear different people on the stage, like up to 5 or more people, is super important to me. So I have these guys. And then let's see right here, with my interface, I have the mic coming into the interface, and this is my 1/4-inch cord to my guitar, which is laying on the ground, which is a guitarist no-no, but yeah, we have a guitar. I love my little guitar. It's a Seagull. It sounds really amazing when it comes to recording and live performances, and that's something that's really important for me as a musician and a creative. And one of the most important pieces of this whole setup is the actual camera, right? YouTube is super visual. I use a Canon 60D, and my amazing coworker, Amber, and friend, she actually goes ahead and she moves the camera as I'm singing. So it gives it this cool, just visual aspect of someone's alive behind the camera. And so you can see that in the video. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think there's anything else. So there you have it, you guys. That's exactly what I use for my YouTube musician setup. If you have any questions, comment below. I'd love to answer them. And until next time, make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in just knowing more, there's a link in the description of this video. Make sure you click it, sign up for our newsletter, and I will personally email you when we have more content for you to check out.